Going inside of a cave. This might be a cave where pirates used to come and hide things. Because I bet this cave has been here for a really long time. Here we go. Are they birds or are they bats?
Bats.
Are they bats or birds? Birds? Woo! Look at that. We're in the cave. Here's the roof of the cave. Isn't this the coolest thing ever, Daniel? There's the water. Can you do it, Daniel? Here. Oh no, blow it. Blow it.
Shake it.
Shake it, Daniel. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Ooh! Good job. He's eating it. It's okay. Shake it, Daniel. Shake it like your sister. Good job. Uh-oh, what happened? Where did your bubble wand go? The one with the spoon and my shoes. Well, everything was going over last night. He was, you know. I think Tony picked them up.
Let me pick that.
Hey, Daniel, more bubbles. Don't be so rough. Are you finished?
Look.
Look at this one full of bubbles.
All right, you do it now. You do it now.
Okay, just like that.
Blow it. Blow, sweetheart. Blow it. Or shake it. Mm-hmm.
They try to shout at me. They say they want to bring me in for the life of the day.
Get down from there right now. Are you trying to feel the rain? Come down here. Don't fall over the rain. Did you feel it? You can see rain. You can see the rain. You feel the rain? Excuse me, I don't want you to fall over. Rain. Say hi to Miss Biz.
Trying to
to everybody as you're going by. You can wave to everybody that you see. And so serious. Well, Daniel, do you like the boat ride?